Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of this series of videos. I'm going to talk about overview of advertisement management, more specifically about advertisement positions. Now, there are two major positions when it comes to advertisement. A position that believes we should invest and a position that believes we should disinvest. Let's start with the position about investing. This is the belief that advertisement can increase profitability by increasing sales volume, enabling higher selling prices, and so increasing your revenue beyond the incremental advertising expense. In other words, this case believes that as long as we increase our revenues more than we increase our expenses, then we would have a profit. So the goal here is to generate profit through advertisement, to make sure that the money coming in is higher than the amount of expenses that we actually have. A quick example of when brands should do advertisement is, for example, Amazon Prime, and I will be referring this example again in a little bit. Now, when Amazon Prime released one of their hit series, which is The Boys, you notice that they have to do a lot of advertisement all over the world, emphasizing that the series is now on, that the series is released. Now, this is an example where it's important to invest in advertisement, because only by investing would consumers be aware of the series and would consumers actually try. So actually, the more you invest in advertisement for the series, the higher the probability that you're going to have new people coming to watch the series. But there is another case, the case for disinvesting. Now, in this case, it's when companies should spend less money in advertisement. There's two major facts here, and does not necessarily mean economic recession. Now, the first one is indeed an economic recession. Now, if there is economic recession or business or the economy is going bad, companies tend to spend less money in advertisement because they want to make sure that the money coming in is more than the amount they are spending on advertisement. But there is another option as well. And the other option is the fact that sometimes companies' brands are performing so well that making more advertisement will not bring them a profit. Okay? The amount of money they're going to spend in advertisement is not going to generate enough profit in terms of new sales. And there's many examples for this. One of As a quick example about cases where it's important to disinvest. Now, in some slides ago, I mentioned the TV show The Boys, which is actually not a TV show, but the series from Amazon Prime. Now, you saw advertisements about it probably recently, but you probably realize you have not seen a lot of advertisement that is more in general for people to join Amazon Prime. Why is that? Well, because they realize that if you invest in making more advertisement for Amazon Prime, you're not going to get that many new consumers to come and try. But if you're going to do advertisement for the series, you're going to get consumers to come and try the series. So this is a case where actually it makes sense to invest less in advertising Amazon Prime Video, but investing more on actually the new products that they release. All right. So knowing how to advertise and knowing when not to advertise is key, and sometimes the same company can have two different situations, one in which they have to invest and one in which they have to disinvest. So it does not matter what position you are into. I hope that you understand that there are certain situations where you need to invest more. There are other situations where you need to invest less in advertisement. Thank you very much for watching the video, and let me know if you have any questions on the comment section below.